So in this video, we're going to go through term 4, week 1, question number 10. Okay? So, as always, read the question first. Robert had to pick a box of chocolates, and all that was on the box was an equation to show how many chocolates are there in the box. Which box should he pick to get the most amount of chocolates? So in box 1, we have 4 to the power of 0 plus 1 squared minus 3 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 3. Now, let's look at BIMDAS. What does BIMDAS say? Brackets, multiplication, brackets, indices, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is the order of operations in which we must do any sort of like maths sum. So we start with brackets. Are there any brackets? No. Next one is indices. Well, we have a few indices, 4 to be precise, so let's simplify those. 4 to the power of 0. Now, as we learned in class, to anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 1 plus 1 squared is 1 minus 3 to the power of 0 is 3. 1, and then plus 2 to the power of 3, which will give you 8. As 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. And next we do multiplication division. There's no multiplication division here. Then we do addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then minus 1 plus 8. Now, in BIMDAS, it is often confusing when we look at it, when we see that M is before D and A is before S. In reality, it kind of looks like this. And what this means is that multiplication and division are on the same plane as addition and subtraction. I mean, on the same plane to each other. So when you do a sum where they're all on the same plane, such as here, all you have to do is just go do the sum across. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So box 1 has 9 chocolates. Let's look at box 2. Box 2 has 5 squared minus 25 times 2 to the power of 1 minus 6 to the power of 0 plus 4. So we have brackets here, so let's do the brackets first. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, minus 6 to the power of 0 is 1, minus 25, 5 squared plus 4. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we're just going to leave it as it is. And the negative 25 times 1 is negative 25. And 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 minus 25 will give you 0 plus 4, will give you 0 plus 4, which is just 4. So box 2 has 4 chocolates. And box 3 is 5 over 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 4 over 3 squared. The way to do this is 5 over 3 times 5 over 3, which will give you 25 over 9, plus 16 plus 4 over 9. 16 plus 4 is 20, so 25 plus 20 over 9, which will give you 45 over 9, which is exactly 5. There's 5 chocolates in box number 3. Now box number 4 is 16 to the power of 0 plus 3 squared minus 2. 16 to the power of 0 is 0 plus 9 minus 2, which will give you 7. So the chocolates with the box with the most number of chocolates is box 1.